Good morning, students. Welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So today we are going to study chapter 8, our occupations, word meaning and explanation. So let's get started. So first word meaning is farming. Farming. Farming means kheti. I repeat once again. Farming. Farming. Farming means kheti. Next word meaning is fertilizer. 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 Fertilizer means urvarak. I repeat fertilizer. Fertilizer. Fertilizer means urvarak. Next word meaning is product. 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 Product means utpad. I repeat product. Product. Product means utpad. Now next word meaning is rope. Rope. Rope means rassi. I repeat it once again. Rope. Rope. Rope means rassi. Next word meaning is mining. Mining. Mining means khudai. I repeat it once again. Mining. Mining. Mining means khudai. Next word meaning is marble. 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 Marble means Sangmarmar. I repeat marble. Marble. Marble means Sangmarmar. Now let's see some word meaning from book. Jaggery. A coarse dark brown sugar. Gur. Next is mining. Mining means a process of obtaining minerals from a mine. Next is livelihood. Livelihood means means of living. Next is occupation. Occupation means the work done to earn money. Next is minerals. Minerals means useful substance such as coal, iron, magnesium, etc. that are obtained from mining. Next is farming. Farming means growing crops and rearing animals. Next is lumbering, means cutting off wood in the forest. Next is fertilizers. Fertilizers means a natural or chemical substance added to soil to increase the fertility. Next is extent. Extent means the size or scale of something. Now let's see the explanation of the chapter. We all do work to earn money to fulfill our day-to-day needs. Any activity that helps to earn money is known as occupation. Means occupation is occupied and provided to source of income. We do anything in terms of getting income, that is known as occupation. The work done to earn money, the livelihood by a people is known as his or her occupations. Means the any work which is done by people, teaching, cook, doctor, architect, these all are the occupations which we do for earning money. Farming is also one of the occupation. Nowadays farmers are able to produce better crops. They have better agriculture tools and more fertilizers to grow their crops. Now tractors have taken the place of pulling machines, have taken the place of farmer to great extent of their business. So this is how the farming is done. Now next topic is cattle rearing. Cattle rearing, that is cow, bulls and buffaloes. Farmers are easily feed their animals on farms. Therefore, most of the farmers keep these animals on their farms. Some farmers keep sheep and goat also. Some cattle give meat and milk also. These animals help them to work their own also. For example, bullock can use for pulling fields and drawing carts. Means some of the cattle rearing use bull, cows and buffaloes for their work. Some of them give meat and some of them is work. They help in their works, like poetry. Poetry farm means keeping birds for meat and eggs. Poetry means if we keep them for the meat and for egg. For example, hen is the good example for that. Now next topic is occupation related to farming. Occupation related to farming we have to see. So we can see cotton is used for making cotton clothes in a big mill. In the first picture you can see a cotton is used for making cotton clothes. In the second picture, wool, jute and silk are used for making clothes. We use wool and jute for making clothes. Rope and bags are made from jute. We can make rope. Rope means rassi, and bags with the help of jute. These products are related to farming. Next is forestry. A large part of our country is under forest. Many people work here and provide us wood, gum, herbs and many useful products. Means forestry means the work which done with the help of forest. For example, we get wood from forest, we get some many plants for forest, we get herbs from forest. So this is the way forestry is done. Many people do the jobs of cutting wood in the forest. Their occupation is known as lumbering. Okay, so working in forest is known as lumbering, and this is also one of the part of occupation. Now next topic is fishing. Fishing is an important occupation of people in the coastal areas. Fish are found in lake, tanks and rivers. Means fishing is the most important and most famous occupation in coastal areas, because there are many lakes, rivers and fishes are mostly found in lakes and rivers, but the main source of fish are in the rivers, ponds and seas. We use fish as food. Some of us we use fish as food. So this is how fishing is done. Now next topic is mining. Mining means digging minerals out of the earth. In the process of mining, we dig in the rock and we get out the minerals. It is one of the most important occupation of our people. India has rich deposit in minerals like coal, iron, magnesium, mica, marble, limestone and petroleum. So this is how mining is done. It is very famous in our country and very popular in our country. So I hope that you all get understood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.